I tried Unstoppable Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Unstoppable Wallet app, I wasn't sure what to expect. With a name like Unstoppable, it sounds bold, maybe even exaggerated. But after using it for a full week, I realized it's not just hype. The name actually fits. Unstoppable Wallet is a self-custody crypto wallet focused on privacy, decentralization, and independence. In other words, it gives you full control, no company, no exchange, no middleman. You own your keys, and that means you own your crypto. Most people get this wrong, but here's why that matters. If your wallet isn't self-custodial, you're trusting someone else with your money. Right from setup, I could tell this app was built for power users. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and more. It even has built-in DeFi tools and a private swap function so you can trade tokens anonymously. I tried swapping Ethereum for USDT, and it worked flawlessly. No sign-ups, no ID verification, just pure crypto freedom. What impressed me most was its privacy-first approach. Unstoppable doesn't track you, doesn't collect data, and even gives you the option to route traffic through Tor for maximum anonymity. However, this level of control comes with complexity. Beginners might find it overwhelming at first. There is no recovery option through email or cloud backup. Lose your keys and it's game over. After 7 days, I realized the shocking truth. Unstoppable isn't trying to be easy, it's trying to be free. It's built for people who believe in crypto's original purpose, decentralization and independence. If you value privacy and control above all else, Unstoppable might just live up to its name.